Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Alan's Day. We've got a project going on here. We're working on a 2022 Hewes craft boat, getting ready to take it out. Brand new, just got it from the dealer. There's a few things that need to be tweaked and added up that possibly could have been done at the dealer, but we're just fine-tuning it a little bit. So what we've got here is the boat. We're working on a few different things. One thing we're setting up is getting the antenna mounted up there, getting some lights on the front. We got some side lights ordered, those aren't in yet. But a few other things that we're working on this project here. And you can see it's got the motors. So things that we're setting up in here and cleaning up is doing some work with the this compartment here is the engine battery. There's battery 1 and battery 2. Currently we're on battery 1. Battery 2 is for the house batteries. Oh, and we got the shop cat out here. That's Taz. So part of what we're doing in here is I'm putting in some shore power. And what that shore power is running in here is this setup that I'm putting in now. There's a inverter. That way we have 110 power out here. We've got, if we want to get out here and you're in a situation where you gotta set up a microwave or do some cooking or whatever you need the 110 power for. And then we've got solar set up in here. I'll show you the solar panel in a little bit. We've got a couple of battery isolators. This way the inverter can charge battery 1 and also solar can charge battery 1, because currently they are set up to charge the house batteries. Switching over and putting whatever we can on dedicated fuses in here, anything that we're adding on, so we're not touching any of the factory wiring that's set up in here. So what we decided to do is put some lights inside of here. Because what they have it set up now is they've got cab lights and they've got some courtesy lights, which are some little lights for running at night. And the only thing that they had set up here for night lights was 2 lights like that. That was not sufficient, so what I did is I put some LED light strips in here. We've got some back up underneath here. We've got some more LED light strips up there, underneath everywhere, so that you can actually see what you're doing in here if it's dark out. Other thing I set up in here was the fan so that we can get the air blown around in here a little bit. And also set up in here, factory set up there's a furnace in here, but there was no way to shut off the display panel here for the furnace. So put a dedicated switch to shut the furnace off when it's not being used. Tonight's projects are, I need to get some USB plugs put in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus then I'm going to put this 12-volt adapter, hide it back off to the side, so if there's any RV cooking utensils that we want to put in there, we can use that. And then on the top of the boat, my son Justin set up the running lights on the top, got those in there, and then I was working on getting that solar panel set up on top here. That way all the batteries are always going to stay fully charged, and we can utilize those house batteries with the inverter. Well, that's pretty much the tour of the boat. Thank you for watching Alan's Day. Life is about making choices. Some things are already perfect. Some things you may choose to upgrade. This channel will show you both. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks again.